Wiring a dishwasher. House power is supplied by white, black, red, and bare wire. In order to junction to dishwasher, which has green, white, and black wires, should I connect bare to green, ground, white to white, N, and pigtail red and black to connect to black, L? Thanks.
Just to clarify, what's the make and model of your dishwasher? And have you run a diagnostic test cycle?
New install. Bosch SHX8PT55UC benchmark. Came with a junction box.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Was hoping to.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Replacing an older maytag. Can't remember what safely do with the red wire. See attached. Ground wire has been clipped short from last install, but I was going to expose more and attach to ground in junction box.
The bare wire geesto green, read the red and black with a tester to see which is hot. White goes to white and should be neutral. Black is most likely hot, but you should identify it back at the breaker box and make sure it is wired to a single breaker. The wire you don't use, most likely red, can be capped with a wire nut and taped back out off the way. Note, make sure you identify the breaker for this circuit. You will be able to see the color of the wire connected to it. You can use an inexpensive voltage tester if you don't have a meter. https://www.hamadepot.com/p/powergear 9300 volt circuit tester 520602037448891 $CM_MMC equals shopping %7 CTHD %7 Kugel %7 CD29B plus bath plus vanities and mid equals S9 Jengigs %7 CDM_MTED_8903 SID 25186 CRIT_PRIT_41293307497 PKW_PMT_product_203744891 SLID equals EEAKOPSHMINLY 7 Chu 1 Wives 7 Rach 1 Shikixabegl DWF boy. Something like this works fine. Just cap the extra white with a wire nut and fold it back, tape it out of the way.
Fantastic, thank you so much. Really needed someone to clear that up for me. Breaker switches are clearly labeled at the box, but I will check and test in the morning with multimeter. Guitar wiring is one thing, but 220V is quite another. Didn't want to fry the dishwasher, let alone myself or family. Thanks again.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.